Yo, what's up, y'all? Back at it again with another one. But today's video might be a two-part, maybe a three-part. Not really sure how it's gonna go. Going to get in with this subframe. You know what? Hold on real quick. Let me show y'all. Clean this up so I can put it back onto the car. Looks like it got a little bit of overspray on it, whatnot. But I ain't worried about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and detach all this stuff off of here and take this subframe back to the house where I can go ahead and clean it up at. Also, by the way, getting new stuff for the garage. As you can see, I started painting these. I kind of mispainted them with yellow because I couldn't get them out at the time. But yeah, so I was doing that. Got a new little stand. But anyway, if I have time, I'll put rubber compound so that way it won't rust too bad. So I hit it with that, and it looks like it might rain. I hope not. And y'all guys should know me by now. I can't work without no tunes. I'm here by myself. Have no squad members. Can't work without no tunes. I need music. Hit it. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. But let me get started into this though. And now, this right here should be able to come up. Shouldn't be nothing else holding this. Maybe I gotta shaft that. Yep. So that's pretty much ready to.
Only way to sign this skitty. Popping out the rape and skitty. Smashing on that bitch and skitty. Rolling in the chair with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X, chills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, only got a new deal. Only way to sign this skitty. Popping out the rape and skitty. Smashing on that bitch and skitty. Rolling in the chair with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X, pills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, only got a new deal. Pull it to the crib like, what up, bitch? Got a penthouse set on my wrist, and my grandma sipping on Actavis. Got a lot of ice and I'm cold as shit. And the bitch love to talk a lot. Pull out the porch of the car garage, and I ain't never had a job. I'm high as fuck to the trip to Mars. Ice on ice on ice. To the project Dubai. Bitch, you better buy your own flight. First time smacking no light.
Yo, it rained so hard while I was doing this. Just another note, it did rain out there. Let me show you a little bit of the floor. So yeah, I did have the garage door open earlier, and it was coming down so hard, some of the rain started coming in here. So I closed the garage door. But yeah, I'm about to hit this with another coat in a minute. You can get ready for that, and then start doing the underspray. I took out the front subframe, and this thing turned out to be all types of nasty. So what I'm gonna do is take it back to the house, clean it. Next, now let's get underneath here and hit that. Figure I'd do it while I'm here, let it dry. I did not know that was there, but I'm cool. Versus everything that was on the last 240. You probably can see the spider webs. I just have to work around that. I'll get to that when I get to it. So what I'm gonna do is hit all this, hit all that, try to get in the other rail on the other side when I get over there, and just keep it moving that way. I got plenty of light, so that's cool. Had to use my drop light.
Insert titties on Skype. Smoke her pound to the face and skit it. Everything they done did, I done did it. Bugs on store like a 24 fitness.
Let me show you what happened so far. Came out good.
800 bands just laying in the kitchen. Only way to sign this skitty. Hopping out the rape and skitty. Smashing on that bitch and skitty. Running in the chair with no limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X, chills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, and I got a new deal.
So all the undercoating is now done.
Meanwhile.
Whew, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. It smells like burnt rubber, as in like you've been doing a bunch of burnouts in here.
The next day.
Yo, so what's happening, y'all? And today we are going to start cleaning this subframe. Second day, like I said, because of yesterday, it rained. So this is what we're dealing with. So I got the purple power, follow with the awesome. Let it sit for like 20-30 minutes for this stuff eats it off like acid. We shall see. So it's been a couple minutes. Just about all the crud off of here.
No limit. Popping on X, popping on X, popping on X pills. Got a new car.
This guy. Friends. Got finished washing it down, spraying it, let it stay on it for 20 minutes. This is the best I can get.
Got a new bitch, and I got a new deal. Pick your ain't froze, pick your ain't froze, pick your ain't covered, ain't go.
You guys take care.
Had to do some with the bitch from my